Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. I have mixed up 5 ounces of resin and I decanted off to the side 15 grams in each of the cups. My resin is Bond Craftor resin and it's at 35 degrees. So I'm hurrying this up, 35 degrees Celsius. Pouring it in here now is going to cool it off quite a bit, which is good because that gives me time to prep up the 15 and 15 ounce bits of resin off to the side and pop the bubbles here. I'm going to attempt to do yet another dahlia, and I'm going to do it in this Red Robin Luster is what it's called by Color Passion, and it's kind of a pinky reddy color. And over here I'm going to use Julie's bloom paste, and I am going to put in 2 drops, 15 ounces. Really 1 drop would be sufficient, but I'm going to do 2 baby drops just like that. I'm not putting any white in this little cup. I'm gonna just do, like I said, a little bit of this Red Robin Luster. So I need just a tiny bit. I'm a little worried. Better go less than more. So I've scraped off the back. Should probably scrape that off a little more. And that's what's left. We're back and I am ready. Let's see what the surface temperature is here. 33. Perfect. Perfect blooming temperature. Okay, I'm gonna do circles as best I can. Maybe I'll do a little one. Baby circle. Just gonna alternate the red and the white. Okay, let's first clear out some of these blobs. All right, here we go. last one. I'm gonna let this do its thing for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna suck out the center. What surprise do we have in store for us today? I put this beautiful purple background on it, and it is Color Passion Berry Violet mixture is what it's called. And I also added probably about 8 to 10 drops of Let's Resin black resin dye to it, just to darken it just a little bit more. Let's see, what do I have? Oh, that is really pretty. All right, let's get in. It's really pretty. Maybe in the light, maybe outside I'll like it, but look at the shimmer from that red. I actually really like the bloom. So I can say I've finally done at least a like a Fozia type of dahlia bloom that I really like. So I'm gonna call this a success so I can stop doing these. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think of this one? What do you think of the purple background? Is it just me? Am I being too picky? I want to know. I love that center little kind of button area from sucking the paints out. All right. Thank you as always for being here. Really appreciate it. You will get to see all the lead up to this one that is finally a success. Woohoo! All right, bye for now.